Today we're in John Mackater State Park in Palm Beach, Florida. We're going to be doing a little meditating on the beach. Nicole just passed by, so let's see what we can find. This park has an interactive nature center where you can learn about the seashore and its many inhabitants. Walking through this park, you'll come across many of the native animals that live in this park. There are also trails you can go, where you can see the flora and fauna of the area. In order to get to the beach, you have to cross a lake that has crystal clear water. Getting 2021 here. Let's dig it. Okay, we got it here. Oh my God. Look at this. First time using this thing. First hit. A ring. That's incredible. $25, $19, $30, $30, $28. Let's see what it is. We got ourselves a quarter. Hurricane Nicole eroded a good part of the beach. Any further would have put the foundation of these condominiums in danger. This trip I found absolutely nothing in the towel line. Everything was found in the water line. It looks like the top layer of sand was washed away. Same thing. Let's dig it. Honey, not yet.
Not yet.
There's always hope.
I lost my diamond ring here last week.
Yes, where?
Let me tell you, that's hard work what you're doing.
It's like a therapy for me.
Oh yeah, that's good then.
Yeah.
Some
they-
people are crazy.
Yeah.
I watched that show where the people look for gold out in the Midwest.
Oh, no, no, no.
Oh, they're crazy.
No, this is a way for me to relax.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
You know
Thanks.
what? That's a great thing. And I'll tell you what. You better get one of these that keeps track of how many steps you get. You probably have. Ooh,
Oh, yeah. I bet.
You have a
Take
great
care.
day. Good
Likewise. We got ourselves, I think it's a penny. Yep, we got a penny.
Hello everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. This is what we found this time. We found a tennis ball. I know one very nice dog that'll be very happy to see this ball. A lot of times when I'm just too sure, I see some shells that I like, I pick them up. Unfortunately, I have no more room. I don't know why I keep picking these shells up. They're beautiful though. Still love them. Look at the size of this one. Found these sunglasses. My granddaughter will just love these. And a diving mask. US divers. Tested it out, it works just fine. Look at this. This time I don't have any 10 spikes. I love it. We used the new, we used the Equinox this time. We did find one bottle cap. This little heart. We'll take a closer look at it later. This looks like steel, but I think it might be some sort of aluminum. And this is the junk, aluminum junk, beaver tail. I don't know if they still make these. I think most of them are like this type right now. This is all aluminum bottle cap for the money. We got 6 cents and pennies, 1 nickel, 3 dimes, and 75 cents and quarter, all clad. Total $1.16. This key, somebody's having trouble getting home again. There's a lot of keys, including mine, in the water. And this is the good stuff. I found this diamond. Well, I hope it's diamond. We'll test it out at this ring. First time of using the Equinox. In the first hole that I dug, there it was. That is insane. All right, let's put it down. Let's go over here. This is the little heart. It's a dog tag. Broward County, 2012. I always wanted to find one of these. I went to a whole bunch of dog parks, didn't find any. This here is not a dog park. I found it. I like it. And for the ring, inside has a little saying. Let's see. Right there. 925 China. 925 means it's sterling silver. Let's see if these diamonds are real. Back. Turn this on. And cross our fingers. Nope. Next time. It was exciting though. This was exciting. Next time we'll have the diamonds. Thank you for coming with us. Live long and cherish every minute of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. If you did like it, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. And remember to subscribe. Thank you.